Welcome everyone. We are discussing inverse circular function. Today, through this video, I will discuss some important problem of board as well as competitive exam using principal value of sin inverse x and cos inverse x. So try to recall problem of class 11 or 10. Sin A plus sin B equals to 2 sin cos A plus B. So we use same type of problem, this theory. So look, we know sin A less than equals to 1 and sin B less than equals to 1. So sin A plus sin B less than equals to 2. So maximum value of sin A plus sin B equals to 2. So maximum value of sin A plus sin B is 2. Now here relation is sin A plus sin B 2. So this is possible. So this is sin A maximum is 1, this is also 1. So this is possible when sin A equals to 1 and sin B equals to 1. So A equals to B equals to pi by 2. So look, since sin A plus sin B equals to 2, so this is possible when sin A is maximum and sin B is maximum. That is A equals to B equals to pi by 2. So what is cos A plus B? So cos A plus B equals to cos pi equals to minus pi. So we use this principle. Now look. So sin inverse x. So we know sin inverse x lesser than equals to 1 and sin inverse y, lesser than equals to pi by 2. So this is also pi by 2. So maximum value of sin inverse x is pi by 2. So if we add, we get this equals to pi. Now given relation, what is the given relation? Sin inverse x, sin inverse y equals to pi. That is maximum value is given. Maximum value of sin inverse x and sin inverse y is given. So this is possible when sin inverse x equals to pi by 2, sin inverse y equals to pi by 2. So what is x? Sin pi by 2, that is 1, y equals to 2. So these are problem using maximum or minimum. Now what you have to find? X square plus y square. So x square plus y square is 1 square plus 1 square, that is 2. So you look the right hand side. If it is suppose pi by 2, then you cannot find this type of problem. These are possible for maximum or minimum value. Now problem number 2. Sin inverse x, sin inverse y plus sin inverse z. Pi by 2, pi by 2, pi by 2. 3 pi by 2. So you have to recall it. Look, sin inverse x and sin inverse z less than equals to pi by 2. So if we add it, if we use sequential step, this is lesser than equals to 3 pi by 2. So that is maximum value is 3 pi by 2. And given relation, this is given relation 3 pi by 2. Given. So maximum value is given. So it is obtained when sin inverse x equals to sin inverse y equals to sin inverse z equals to pi by 2. Because pi by 2, pi by 2, pi by 2. So 3 pi by 2. So what is x? Sin pi by 2 1 equals to y equals to z. Now if you put the values here, So this equals to, so 1 plus 1 plus 1 to the power 9, and this is 9 by 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 3 minus 3 equals to 0. So this one is 0. Now consider problem number 4. Problem number 4. So look, it is given in terms of cos. Cos inverse x, cos inverse y, cos inverse z equals to 3 pi. So maximum value of cos inverse x is pi. So pi plus pi plus pi, 3 pi. You look, exactly same problem. Cos inverse x less than equals to pi, cos inverse y less than equals to pi, cos inverse z less than equals to pi. So if you add it, cos inverse x, cos inverse y, cos inverse z less than equals to 3 pi. And what is given value? Given value is 3 pi. So it is obtained when we get maximum value. So cos inverse x equals to cos inverse y equals to cos inverse z equals to pi. It is possible when, so what is x? X equals to y equals to z equals to cos pi. Cos pi is minus 1. Now what is the value? So minus 1 whole square, minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 whole square. So value is 3. So using maximum value. Now problem number 5. Look, sin inverse x, maximum value pi by 2. This is pi by 2 pi. And cos inverse z, pi. So actually it will be 2 pi. Correct it? 2 pi. Not pi. It will be 2 pi. So it is mixed problem. So you write sin inverse x less than equals to pi by 2, sin inverse y less than equals to pi by 2, cos inverse z less than equals to pi. So if you add sin inverse, cos inverse z equals to 2 pi, lesser than equals to 2 pi. And given, what is the given value? Sin inverse x, sin inverse y, cos inverse z equals to 2 pi. That is maximum value is given. Maximum value is given. So it is possible when sin inverse x equals to sin inverse y equals to pi by 2 and cos inverse z equals to pi. So x equals to y equals to 1, sin pi by 2, 1, y sin pi by 2. And what is z? Z is minus 1. Z is minus 1. So what is the final value? Find x plus y plus 1 plus 1. And what is z? Z is minus 1. Finally it is 1. So most important problem using maximum value. Now problem number 3. It is not discussed. So 0. This is 0. Pi. So not using maximum value. But you know 0 less than equals to cos inverse x. 0 less than equals to cos inverse y, 0 less than equals to cos inverse z. But you can write cos inverse z greater than cos inverse y. So this is greater than 0. So cos inverse x, cos inverse y, cos inverse z greater than equals to 0. That is minimum value. Minimum value equals to 0. Now what is our given condition? This is 0. Given condition is this plus this plus this is 0. So it is possible when cos inverse x equals to 0 equals to cos inverse y equals to cos inverse z. So x equals to cos 0, equals to 1 equals to y equals to z. So it is taking minimum value. It is taking minimum value. So what is the value? x1, y1, z1. So put the value. So this is 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 square, 1 square, 1 square. 9 by 1 into 1. 1 into 1. 1 into 1. So 3 minus 3 equals to 0. So these are problem using maximum or minimum value of sin inverse x and cos inverse x. So today through this video I have discussed some most important problem of board as well as competitive exam using their maximum principal value. So thank you for today.